Hello and welcome. I'm Parisa Shelton and this is Qigong for When You're Afraid. All right, well, Halloween brings lots of spirits and times for us to soothe our fears and come into more alignment as we pull down heavens 3 times. Start to feel that wave. Do that again, reaching out wide to the side. Take a nice deep breath, inhale. And as you exhale, coming into tune with any possible fears that we might have. One more time, deep breath in and a long breath out. We're gonna start with one of Mr. Chris's favorite exercises called shaking the tree. Starting at the fingertips, you're gonna ripple up and shake all the way down. Take a nice deep breath and shake and bake. Do that again, nice deep breath, inhale and shake it off. Letting go one more time, inhale and exhale. Now that shaking the tree practice, pull down heavens 1 time, is excellent to alleviate any extra fear, stress or strife, tension. Feel that relaxation filling all the cells and tissues. Okay, well, the kidneys house the emotions of fear, shock, and trauma. So we're going to clap the hands, rub the palms together, then place the warm hands in the small of the low back. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel that warmth from the palm of the hands soak in through the back and fill up the kidneys. Try that again 2 more times. Clap. Rub the palms together. Place the warm hands in the low back. Nice deep breath, inhale. Exhale, soak that warmth into the kidneys, recharging and replenishing, releasing and clearing. One more time, big clap. Rub the palms together. Place the warm hands in the small of the low back into the kidneys. Soak that warmth in, drawing forth wisdom and willpower. Then we're going to take one hand and boop, bring it across to the opposite side of the lower back. Take the other hand out in front as we fold at the waist, circling down, up and around, letting the head follow the hand. That's it. Following a nice steady flow, tuning in to the feelings of fear, starting to face our fears. Just like that, as we unlock and let go, we draw forth gentleness like a flowing stream of water. Notice that flowing stream of consciousness. Try that circle 1 more time in this direction, then we're going to come up to the top and take that hand that's in front and bring it across to the opposite side of the lower back and switch directions, circling down, up and around. That's it. And the more that we face our fears, the more we can build this muscle of courage. Courage is said not to be the absence of fear, but to experience fear and act nonetheless. 1 more circle down, up and around. Then let's come up to the top, release the arms, pull down heavens 1 time, inhale, and exhale. Working with the kidneys and the emotions of fear, the healing sound of foo, F-U-U-U-U-U-U. We're going to chant that sound 3 times out loud, then 3 times in a whisper, and then 3 times silently in the mind's ear. So first prepare the breath, then adding the sound, foo. And again, foo. One more time out loud. Foo. that 3 times silently in the mind's ear. And as you make the sound of fu, imagine any fear, shock, or trauma leaving the cells and tissues of the body, drawing forth willpower, gentleness, wisdom. You find yourself in the flow a little bit more, a little bit deeper. All right, and then when you're ready, flutter the eyes open. Turn the corners of the mouth upwards into a smile. Let's pull down heavens 3 times, reaching out wide to the side. As you exhale, you feel that cool wave of calm confidence filling all the cells and tissues. Do that again. Inhale and exhale. Feel that calm confidence in and through and all the way down. One more time. Inhale, deep breath. And exhale. Feels so good to be alive. Then let's take the hands on the lower belly, one hand over the other. Close the eyes again and imagine a white mystical pearl sitting in the lower dantian, your lower abdomen. As you inhale, the pearl expands, growing brighter and lighter. And as you exhale, the pearl dissipates and fills up the kidneys to recharge and replenish. Inhale, expand the pearl, expand the breath. And as you exhale, you pull that energy in to renew and replenish, revitalize, and invigorate. Inhale, expand the pearl, expand the breath, filling up your body, this time filling up the space around you, all corners of the space around you. And then as you exhale, you pull the wall, floor, and ceiling into the lower dantian, feeling that aliveness, that awakeness. One more time, inhale, expand the pearl, expand the breath, filling up your belly, your body, the space around you, and this time traveling as far and wide as the mind will go. Sending love and light, gratitude and appreciation as you exhale. Then keeping the eyes closed. If you're wearing eyeglasses, take your glasses off. One more time, we're gonna rub the palms of the hands together, create some heat in the palm of the hands, and place the warm hands over the eye sockets as you take a nice deep breath. Inhale. Soak that warmth from the hands into the eyes and feel it traveling down and in and through the body, down into the ground. Then open the eyes from behind the hands. Remove the hands from in front of the face with a new sense of clarity and vision, feeling better than before, releasing our fears. I am not afraid. I am brave. Pulling down heavens, taking a nice deep breath. Oh, see how good that feels to release fear and step into the courage. I am brave and I am strong. Bringing the hands into a prayer position in between the eyebrows for right thought. We take the hands to the lips for right speech. And then bringing the hands to the heart for right action. May we be the change that we wish to see. Thank you for tuning in. May you be at peace, and namaste.